Welcome to our introduction on the Garmin DriveSmart 65 screen freezing issue. Is your Garmin DriveSmart 65 freezing after a map update? You're not alone. This video explains why this happens and, more importantly, how Garmin has fixed it through firmware updates. We'll cover the issue, the fixes, and how to keep your device running smoothly. By April 2026, Garmin has largely resolved these issues. The freezing problem in the Garmin DriveSmart 65 starts with the device's hardware limitations. It has only 1 GB of RAM, which is the working memory for processing data. When updating maps, the firmware must handle large amounts of data. This involves decompressing the update files, validating their integrity, and integrating the new information into the device's navigation system. If the update process isn't managed efficiently, it can cause buffer overflows. This happens when too much data is loaded into a fixed-size memory buffer, overflowing and corrupting adjacent memory areas. Another issue is race conditions, where multiple processes compete for the same resources. In this case, the user interface thread and the map update thread can interfere with each other, leading to unpredictable behavior. The device uses multi-threading, where different tasks run simultaneously. If the update thread consumes too many resources, it can starve the UI thread, causing the screen to become unresponsive and freeze. Together, memory overload, buffer overflows, and race conditions between threads cause the screen to freeze. This was particularly problematic with older firmware versions that didn't handle these processes efficiently. Garmin addressed the screen freezing issue through iterative firmware releases. Version 7.50 in mid-2024 started resolving memory overflow during map updates. Version 8.0 in Q1 2025 added automatic rollback features, allowing the device to revert to a stable state if a freeze occurs. The latest version, 8.20 in January 2026, uses AI-driven diagnostics to preemptively detect potential freeze triggers like large map data loads. These updates significantly reduce the problem, with incident rates dropping by 95% since 2024. Firmware updates address the freezing issue through memory pool optimization. This technique reserves dedicated memory buffers specifically for map updates, preventing the display system from running out of resources during large data transfers. Another crucial fix is checksum validation. This process calculates and verifies data integrity during map updates. If the received data doesn't match its expected checksum, the update is aborted to prevent corrupt transfers that could cause system instability. Finally, thread prioritization adjusts CPU scheduling to prioritize the user interface over background tasks. This ensures the screen remains responsive during updates, preventing the freezing that occurs when navigation processes are blocked by intensive data operations. To update your Garmin DriveSmart 65, first download and install Garmin Express software from garmin.com/express. This free application manages all updates for your device. Connect your DriveSmart 65 to your computer using the included USB cable. Insert the standard USB end into a USB port on your computer and plug the micro USB end into the device. Alternatively, connect wirelessly via Wi-Fi. Make sure both your computer and DriveSmart 65 are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then select the device in Garmin Express to establish the connection. Once connected, launch Garmin Express. Select your DriveSmart 65 from the device list. The software will automatically check for available updates, including firmware and map data. Click Install All to begin the update process. Regularly updating your Garmin DriveSmart 65 is crucial. Check for updates at least monthly or whenever Garmin notifies you. This ensures you have the latest firmware fixes that prevent screen freezing and maintain optimal device performance. The fixes for the DriveSmart 65 are part of a broader trend in consumer electronics toward over-the-air updates. Garmin and other manufacturers are increasingly using Wi-Fi-enabled firmware fixes to reduce the need for manual user intervention. Garmin specifically uses Wi-Fi connectivity to deliver these fixes automatically. This approach ensures that devices receive updates seamlessly, reducing the burden on users and preventing issues from outdated firmware. Newer firmware incorporates AI diagnostics that monitor device usage patterns. This allows the system to predict and prevent screen freezes by adjusting operations proactively based on how the device is being used. User experiences shared on platforms like Reddit and Amazon provide valuable insights into the screen freezing issue on the Garmin DriveSmart 65. Before the 750 firmware update, many users reported frustrating screen freezes that disrupted navigation during trips. These reports highlighted how widespread the problem was, with users describing devices becoming unresponsive after map updates. However, after Garmin released the 750 update, most users experienced significant improvements in stability. Additional user feedback revealed cases of corrupted map files, which could also cause freezes. Garmin addressed this with the Clean Install mode introduced in firmware version 8.0, allowing users to perform a fresh installation that resolved these issues. These real-world examples from user communities underscore the critical importance of applying official firmware updates from Garmin to maintain device reliability and avoid potential problems. Experts agree that firmware fixes are cost-effective, but emphasize user education on updates to prevent potential issues. Garmin's quick response to this issue improved user satisfaction by 25%, as reported in industry surveys. The future includes even more autonomous firmware self-healing in GPS devices, potentially eliminating update-related freezes. Always keep your device updated to avoid these issues and rely on official channels for updates.